Load your family into the 2020 Subaru Forester. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a power seat, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated front and rear seats, power moonroof, a power rear cargo door, and leather upholstery. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 9 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Come on in and take a test drive.